Yeah, good. I mean, obviously good. I think so pleased for the players, for what they gave tonight and what they've given me since I've come to the football club. That was just a really good night for them and for us, and just felt like such a good feeling for the whole football club, with the supporters so united with us, and yeah, I'm very pleased.
Sorry, do you mind if I just... quel soirée pour vous, vous allez vous rappeler?
Heidi Hoy, coach of Newcastle Football Club, manager here speaks after punishing PSG Football Club for goals of one, and of course it was just one among of the incredible game, fantastic conclusions, and of course it was so fascinating as he's just now speaking about the next match that he will play against one among of the very bigger club. Maybe of course it will be if I'm not mistaken, the next club that Newcastle will play. I think that it will be from Dortmund, Borussia Dortmund, and in fact he always says he is well prepared and he wants to win the Champions League, and of course he believes on his players, as he used to say that the players are led and they have always been striving, they have always been struggling to make sure that they got the important wins, and that can just enable them to move up to the next stage.